Now that we're here alone and I'm not angry anymore, we're going to talk about this.
Okay.
You understand?
Yes.
You understand what I upset?
No.
No?
No.
You don't see any problem in this?
I was just out having fun with my friend.
Yeah, but the moment that you buy a gun...
But it's an airsoft pistol. It's not real.
Yeah, but what's illegal? Because you're not 18 years old. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. The moment you get out of school without permission of your parents or the teachers, you know that it's wrong, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you escaping school.
Yeah.
To having fun.
Yeah.
And you know you're in trouble for that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. How you think this affects us, all of us, in your family?
I feel like you guys can't trust me anymore.
Because we trust you to be in school, and you're not in school.
Yeah.
You are out with your friends. So what do you think we need to do? What you need to do for us to trust you again?
Make sure that I'm at school at all times.
Yeah, I'm okay with that. I'm agree with that. That sounds good. But how I be sure that you're not going to do it again?
I can get a sign-in log from all my teachers, so that way they have to sign it when I'm in class.
Well, for a start, it's a good one. But you need to understand that I want to trust you.
Right.
I love you. I care for you. So imagine in what danger are you, your friend, and the people in the park when you're shooting over there. You see the problem?
Yeah.
Okay. But you know that this kind of behavior need to be punished.
Yeah.
What do you think is a good punishment?
Take my phone away.
For how long?
I don't know, as long as you need to.
Okay, I want to take your phone after school because I want you to be able to call me. But you cannot play video games for a week. You're not going out with friends for a week. And then we're going to continue talking about this problem. That is not going to be a problem anymore, isn't it?
Right.
Right. So what do you think I'm expecting from you from now on?
Good behavior and to stay in school during school hours and come home and follow my punishment.
You need to understand that we do this because we care for you. If we don't care for you, you know, we don't even have problem with you doing this kind of behavior. But because we love you, we care for you. And in this case, you're guilty. So, you understand?
Yes.
We clear?
Clear.
So, changing behavior?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I love you.
Love you too, Mom.
Okay, son.